My people, I am here! McLaren, why is no one adoring me? Hello? It's me! They must think you're one of them. Like, a fan? Dressed up? That's hilarious. How can anyone think I'm a normal person? Does that one think I'm normal? I think so. And that one? And those... Stop it. I'm gonna go be normal at that one. All right, mate. Hello. I'll have a banana smash up with extra blueberries, please.
All right. Wait here.
Wait. So much fun. No one has ever told me to wait before.